how to add original audio with music on Instagram. So if you want to add original audio with music on Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you can just simply go with the plus, which is on the bottom right here, and then select the video. Go with next, which is on the top, and now you will find the edit option. You need to just go and select the microphone, which is right here, and add your voiceover. Once you've done with the voiceover, you need to go with add audio, which is on the bottom, and here you can add song. So go and select the song at first. Once you've added the song, go with done, and once you've added that, you need to again go with add, which will be on the bottom, and then tap on voiceover right here. Tap on the voiceover button and then add your voiceover with you having the music. After adding those two, go with next, which will be on the top right, or go with the arrow, and in this way you'll be able to add audio, original audio with music on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.